In this step we will set up the testimonial section of the front page. Click on the Customize link to open the Customizer panel. Click on the Front Page Section tab. Click on the Testimonial tab to open Testimonial Settings. Now, we will add a section title and description for the testimonial section. Now click on the Add New Testimonial button to add a new testimonial. Now, click on the newly added Testimonial tab to open its settings. Now add a title, subtitle, description, and using the Upload Image button, you can upload client picture. Now, add a designation for the client. Now click the Select Image button and set the background image. After setting up the rest of the testimonial settings, click on Publish button to save changes, and close the customizer to take the final preview of the testimonial section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.